beginner backspins, part 1 of the backspin series. Hope you guys are ready for this one. Let's start off with an exercise. We are going to try a 2-foot spin, get nice and balanced on the ball of your foot, and pick up the left foot or the right foot if you're a lefty. Try to pick it up for just a revolution, and we're going to slowly build it up. We are spinning on a back outside edge. For beginners, think about a hoop. We're holding a basketball slightly over our right side, over the right hip and foot. So keep practicing that until you feel comfortable. Backspin can be a little scary. Just aim for 1 revolution, then 2 or 3. Our position, knees tight together, toe next to the heel. Our next exercise will be practicing from a back pivot. Same thing, arms in a hoop, beginner position, and just try to aim for 1 revolution or a 1-second hold to get comfortable with balancing on the blade. Aim to get comfortable with 1 revolution, then slowly add on more. Once you're comfortable with that, let's step it up a notch. We're going to try to cross our feet. When we cross our feet in the backspin, think about flexing the foot, pushing the heel down. You don't want to push the toe down because you're going to hit the ice and trip. We don't want that. Nice backspin position. Knees facing forward, thighs and legs glued together, heel pushing down, the foot is flexed. With the toe like this. If you spin with the toe pointing down, you may either A, trip and face plant, no one wants that, or we're going to have a little bit of a gap in our legs if we point the toe down, which will slow down our spin. For beginners, I like to spin in the hoop position. We don't want to go from 0 to 100 and spin too fast, so spinning in the hoop position will slow us down a little bit so we can get comfortable balancing on our blade and being nice and square in the hips, shoulders, and finding that tight backspin position. The hoop position keeps us over a nice axis so we can spin, just like a top. One last exercise is doing the backspin with your leg open. This will help us practice to be nice and centered before we learn the advanced backspin or the back scratch. I'm thinking about having my left arm over my left leg, kind of like a puppet. My arm follows my leg, and let's try to aim to hold that for 3 revolutions. Once that open position is nice and strong, let's practice passing the hip through to have a nice landing position and smile. That's a great exercise to learn how to use your edge to obtain power. We do not want to swing our arms around to go faster. Focus on using your edge and your legs. The goal in spins is always to find the sweet spot, typically located on the ball of our foot. Once we find that, really focus on bearing the weight on the ball of the foot. We're pushing that blade into the ice. We're sticking and freezing ourselves in that position so we can spin forever. Sure to like, subscribe, and save. Stay tuned for the advanced backspin tutorial. See y'all next time, and happy skating!